Down in southwestern Washington near Vancouver, there's a little farm growing all sorts of different and kind of strange things, from cucamelons to ground cherries, strange varieties of apples, and more. Get Together Farm is full of surprises. Farmer John Spencer was in finance, but found that something inside him yearned for more.
I realized that half the reason I wasn't getting my projects done is I was out here playing on tractors and doing replanting projects and the like, and I said, all right, let's see if I can't make a career out of the land.
So you're a big kid just playing out here too.
Oh, absolutely. I spent too many years in front of a computer and found that I needed to get out and
play in the
expend
dirt.
some energy. Yeah. So last year this was our vegetable patch. This year it's our squash patch. These are pickling cucumbers, English cucumbers. We have some funky varieties of cucumbers as well, and I'm totally blanking on the name. Some cucumber that I don't even recognize. I didn't even know we were growing that one.
Surprise! You have a lot, like a lot of different things.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know gray zucchini versus green zucchini. I'd say it's a zucchinier flavor of zucchini.
Yeah, that's really good.
And a good snack in the middle of the day.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, I see the babies.
But
You're loud.
the mom in the corner is some sort of African variety, and I frankly don't remember what, but
So cute.
something that you can't find around here.
Oh, it's okay. Hi, little dude. It's okay. Hi. Hi. Okay, we'll give you back.
So there's a chicken.
My day is complete.
You've had a chicken moment.
Yes, I've had a chicken moment.
The whole idea is, well, two ideas. One is introduce people to varieties that they don't get elsewhere.
Yeah.
The other one is to get people excited about what you can actually do and get if you shop somewhere else than
Yeah, exactly.
the
That's
big
not
grocery store. I suppose there's a third reason, and that is that I really had no idea what I was doing when I started, and so I just went wild with everything that looked
try
fun.
this.
Exactly. This is my hardy kiwi trellis. We've got 36 kiwi
Can we go
plants
look at
going.
this?
So they're hardy kiwi, not fuzzy kiwi. They're about
Okay.
a third the size and 5 times as sweet.
He's just a little guy.
Just a little baby.
Yeah, how big will that guy get?
It'll get to be about twice that size.
Okay.
And of course, I've never grown them before, so I'm figuring it out as I go.
I can sense that that's what you like.
Yeah,
Kind of learning as you go. and-
The learning curve over the last 4 years has been pretty much vertical.
So these are currants?
Yeah, so white, red, black, and golden currants. It's yet another one that you just don't see a lot of in the grocery stores around here. They're a very, very tart fruit.
Yeah.
Very. You're allowed to make a face, is what I'm saying.
And so these
You
are
just sort of
these are
string
super
these.
tart?
Yeah, these guys will be really tart, and just sort of string them through your teeth or pick them off one at a time.
Little tart.
People don't know. People who shop at Safeway or Albertsons or Fred Meyer, you get the same thing day after day after day. You don't realize the seasonality
But there's
of
a prairie
fruits and
fire tomato.
Yeah, exactly. and when you actually start shopping from a local farm, or in my case, getting into it and growing it, there's just so much to explore and learn.